Can we remove watermark in Videoleap? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can remove the watermark from Videoleap. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course open up Videoleap. If you do not have this app, you can easily get it from the App Store or Google Play Store. After doing that, you can open this up and there you will notice this page. Now, if you want to start a project, tap on the plus icon and you'll need to select a media. Tap to add to project and then you can name this project and stuff like that. So I'll just tap on continue and there we go. Now, after you're here, you can use this app. You can simply remove watermarks from different other videos or video editors here, and it's really simple. You can use the AI tool here, but the thing is, when you export this, you'll get this small watermark that says made with Videoleap. Now, as you can see right here, you can download this, you can save this, but removing the watermark is for the pro version only. Now, if you want to remove the watermark, you will have to buy the pro version and there are different plans for it. So you can buy any of these right here, the light version or the pro version. And after doing that, you will be able to remove the watermark from the Videoleap. And that is basically all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.